Hi everybody, how are you? Today we are going to solve a new question based on the compound interest, and the question is quite interesting. The question is like this: Binod lent altogether Rs 66,000 per month and Santosh for 2 years at 15% compounded yearly. If the Santosh paid Rs 1,935 more than per month as interest, so we have to find how much did Binod lend to each. Just a question simply asking. Binod altogether paid Rs 66,000 per month and Santosh the different amount, and whose sum is being 66,000 for the 2 years at annual compound interest rate, that is the 15%. And after 2 years, Santosh paid Rs 1,935 more than per month as interest. So how much did Binod lend to each per month and Santosh separately? So let's begin our solution, and the solution is like this. Binod lent altogether sum of money P, that is equal to Rs 66,000 for time t equal to 2 years at annual interest rate, that is equal to 15% per annum. As for Santosh paid final interest 1,935 more than per month, so let's consider the Binod lent to Santosh be X. Let Binod lent sum of money to Santosh, that is, let it be P1 equal to Rs X, and Binod lent again sum of money to per month, that is P2, that is equal to Rs 66,000 minus X. As for Binod altogether given the amount 66,000, if he paid to Santosh be X, then the remaining amount should be paid to per month, and that is the 66,000 minus X. And as for the condition, Santosh paid 1,935 more interest than per month. So obviously Santosh has been laid principal more than per month. And now here annual CI paid by Santosh minus annual CI paid by per month, that is equal to Rs 1,935. So let us consider the CI paid by Santosh be CI1 and minus CI paid by the per month be compound interest 2, that is equal to Rs 1,935. Now the next formula for compound interest is P1 1 plus r upon 100 to the power t minus 1 and minus p2 1 plus r upon 100 to the power t minus 1, that is equal to r is 1935. As for Binod, given the sum of money to the both for the same duration of time, 2 years, and the same rate of interest, that is 15%. So these two factor, 1 plus r upon 100 power t minus 1 and 1 plus r upon 100 power t minus 1, these both factor are same. So let us take these two as a common, and the remaining is p1 minus p2. The common part is 1 plus r upon 100 to the power t minus 1, that is equal to r is 1935. Now we put the value of all those things. The p1 is x, so here we put the x, minus p2 is 66,000 minus x, 66,000 minus x, and the value of r is 15% for the time t is the 2 year minus 1, that is equal to r is 1935. Now we open here bracket, so x minus 66,000 minus times become the plus x, and here 1 plus 15 divided by 0.15 square minus 1, r is 1935. X plus x, it become the 2x minus 66,000, and the sum of this is 1.15 to the power 2 minus 1, 1935. So 2x minus 66,000. The square of 1.15 is 1.3225 minus 1, r is 1935. 2x minus 66,000, and the subtracting to become the 0.3225. R is 1935. Now we divide both sides by 0.3325 to eliminate the 0.3225 from the left side. So while dividing, the here comes as a 2x minus 66,000, that is equal to r is 1935 upon 0.3225, and it become the 6,000, and the left side as a 2x minus 66,000. Now target is to find the value of x, so we add 66,000 on both sides to cancel this one. So on adding the 66,000 on the left side and the right side, here become the 2x, and finally on the right side it is a 6,000 plus 66,000. So here comes as a, on adding these two, 66,000 and a 6,000, it becomes, again we divide the both side by 2. So here comes x, that is equal to r is 72,000 divided by 2. So finally the value of x is r is 36,000. Hence Binod lent sum of money to Santosh, that is x equal to rs 36,000 and to that is the 66,000 minus x, and it comes as a 66,000 minus 36,000. So the finally is, that is the 30,000, and this is the final answer. Hence Binod lent the sum of money to Santosh, that is the Rs 36,000, and to the Pramod, that is the 30,000. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.